VW Lifers. How's it going in there? Welcome to today's episode of VW Life. We are headed to the Lonely Star Roundup, put on by Jesse James, the Pope of Welding. Should be a fun day. Stick with us. Lots of cars, Volkswagens, hot rods, you name it. It's just going to be a fun day. We'll see you. Let's go. Welcome to this morning's Lonely Star Roundup. It's a all hands on deck car show where everybody and anybody is welcome. So you'll see all kinds of stuff like this. I'm not even sure what that is, but it's kind of cool. And then look at this. The Loosey Goosey. How cool is that? I love it. So that's kind of what this show's all about. I think to me that's the coolest thing about this show is everything that rolls in here is just like it's true car culture, and it's a part of what we have to continue to nourish. And so that's what the guys here are doing at the Lonely Star. It's bring whatever you have, but it's car culture, and that's it. You know, we always talk about our VW community. Well, there's all these other little communities around too. You know, you got the hot rod community, and the Chevy van community, and the Volvo community, and the Camaro community. Look at that cool early Camaro. We all have this one thing in common: ICEs, internal combustion engines. That's what it's all about. And so enjoy today. I hope you enjoy the show. We're going around and just show y'all some of the cool stuff that walks in here today. That's what it's all about. Murder. I remember that one from last year. Yeah, I know. I remember this one because I like black in the line. And then the satin bumpers.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is cool. In the line. Just enough.
How does his black look cleaner than my black? That's what I want.
Yeah, because that's probably got about 18,000 coats of clear. Look at that, dude. Yeah, I remember this black last year. It was like I just sit there and just look at it.
It's got those weird Puerto Rican headlights though. Can't stand those headlights.
Look at that reflection.
Liquid.
It's crazy.
And shaved.
Yeah, this might be the perfect paint job. I think it's time to I'm gonna Jerry's going through a transformation.
I think I saw Boomhauer get out of this one.
Oh my gosh.
I gotta get up that dang old blue van, man. Let me tell you what. Look at the Schlitz carriage lights inside. The
shaggin' wagon.
The dangly curtain. Oh my god, look up.
Oh wow, Cheech and Chong, Ivy Road. Even smells kind of patchouli-esque.
Custom sunroof.
Yeah.
Moonroof.
Oh, look at the, he's got shag on the A-pillars.
Oh yeah.
Holy shnikes. Super Swampers.
Just so when she jumps out and catches her dress and rips it up for you.
Oh, look at the back. Got Dark Side of the Moon, and then the dogs playing poker. Of course it has, you know what? Of course it has shag on the ceiling. Oh, how many babies have been made in here?
It's got the LED lights.
Oh, yeah.
Mood lighting.
Oh, yeah.
Set the mood.
Oh, yeah. This is awesome.
That's a beast.
The door, the way it... Going door.
Cover up that mirror when you open the door. You know, you don't want to slide back and hide it.
Oh my god. This is awesome.
Windows, You're gonna lose points for that
What's that?
because it's not the actual faceted.
Oh yeah.
You know,
It's a flat
polycarbonate
glass.
windows.
Yeah. Yeah. It doesn't. Yeah. It's not the three-dimensional
It's more
thing.
homemade, but
It works.
hey, I wouldn't not drive it.
Hey, he's got a CB. We can talk to him.
Definitely not. It's badass.
Oh.
Get in there and change the oil. You don't even need a jack.
Yeah.
So it goes.
Good Lord. So that's that. He
Rhino liner.
Rhino lined it. Wow. Hey everybody, Gary here, and your name is?
Antonio Brunet with Blue Chip Car.
Blue Chip Car. Antonio, thanks for joining us today on VW Life. Okay,
So
tell us what you got here, buddy.
We got a very rare one here.
Yeah, you do.
We got a 1968 Super Bugger.
Yep.
And what it is a company in the late 60s and 70s will take a Volkswagen Beetle and convert it into a motorhome.
Yep.
And this is exactly what you get, essentially a snail.
Yeah. It has got to be an experienced driver. Do you drive this
Oh,
thing?
we drive it all the time. Yeah,
Oh,
actually,
my
it's a really
gosh.
nice driver. He's not very fast.
No.
But he certainly gets you there in style and in comfort.
Yeah, you're running a 1600 single port in the back? Or
Yeah,
dual
this
port?
one has 1600
Yep.
single. Yeah.
So this
just
is a
basic.
68,
It's a 68.
okay?
And they will not change any of the wheelbase. The whole floorboard, everything is original. The drivetrain is original. The front end is original, but the rest of it, they cut it off and then they put literally a motorhome right on top of it.
So basically, it still has the original Beetle pan.
It does,
The
yeah.
pan is still
Yeah,
there. So
yeah.
it's technically you could pull this off and
Technically you could.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Holy cow. So where did you find this?
So we actually found this at an auction. I've been looking for one for many years. I knew they existed because they used to advertise in the Popular Mechanic
Right, yeah.
magazines back in the 60s and 70s. And I thought about building one myself because you can buy the kit and kind of do it yourself. And then I found this one for sale and I just gotta have it.
Dude, I've seen them in pictures, but I've never seen one in real life.
Oh, absolutely. The cool thing about our company is that you can buy a fraction of it. So we're a fractional ownership company.
Really?
So electric cars in fractions. So you can go to our
Okay.
website and buy a share of it. And
All
this
right.
is one that is for hold, so you can actually use the car.
Oh, it's kind of like a rental kind of thing? Or
Well, you actually own it, so you
Okay.
can buy 10% of it,
Yeah.
and you get a custody of it 1 month of every cycle year.
Really?
Yeah, and then you own it for as long as you want, and when you're tired of it, you can sell your shares to somebody else.
So is that what we have going on with most everything
That's-
here?
yeah, that's what we do.
Antonio, where are y'all based out of?
We're based out of here, Dripping Springs.
Out of Dripping Springs.
Yeah.
I'll be darned. Well, you've got quite an interesting collection of. You got an oval over here too,
Yeah,
huh?
we love the Volkswagens, but
Yep.
it's very eclectic. We have a modern Porsche, a 90s Ferrari, a Delahite from the 46,
Right.
a 34 Alfa Romeo,
I thought that
and
was
a
an Alfa.
1950 Aston Martin.
Wow. So what a cool concept. Well, this right here is just awesome. I can't believe that I'm seeing one in real life. So thanks for bringing it, and thank you for your time, Antonio. I really
Thank you
appreciate
so
it.
much.
Appreciate it, man. Thank you. Here's a good view of today's show. There's cars everywhere. I mean, a lot of cars. So the best thing about the Lonely Star Roundup, if you ask me, is it's just everybody's here. It's every type of car, every type of person. I mean, you just have everything, and it makes it just a true joyful event. You know, there's no, no, you can't have that kind of car here. You know, it's just everything. And an open event. I think as a car culture and a car community, not just Volkswagens, not just Chevys, Toyotas, whatever it might be, but all cars, we have to have more shows like this to promote and keep this alive. And we got to get the kids out here, get kids involved. That's the number one thing. I was talking the other day with Mark. We have to figure out a way to get the youth in these cars, get them away from the joysticks or the Xbox pads, and put them in cars, working on them, changing spark plugs, figuring out how the carburetor works, adjusting points, something. We got to get kids out here. So take a kid to a car show, man. That's what I'm saying. everybody, Gary here with Nikki.
Hi.
Hi, Nikki. So, Nikki, tell us what brings you to the Lonely Star Roundup.
Oh, well, this was on our list to come and check it out. My husband's been to the Lone Star Roundup quite a few times, and when Jesse James put this on, we decided to make a family trip.
Oh, great. Now you have to talk about all this trash talk from this guy.
So, I mean, you came, this isn't just like a trip. You guys came from
Boston.
Boston. Say that again.
Boston.
Boston. Yeah, they came from Boston. Holy cow, that's a long way to come for a car show.
Yeah, and it's just a great family experience as well.
Right.
So just from a car-loving community, families
Yeah.
like ourselves, it blows all of our shows back at home out of the water.
Children's
Really? So
theater,
y'all are into cars. Y'all have built cars at home, or?
Yes, sir. I actually have my own female car club. We're called the Rolling Dimes because every lady's a 10.
Mom.
So everybody's a 10, huh?
Yes.
I would agree with that. So that sounds good.
Well, every lady's a 10.
Oh, every lady.
Every lady's a 10.
So how many people are in the Rolling Dimes?
So far, I have about 6 members, and I started it back in 2021.
That is awesome.
Okay.
So hey, what's your name, buddy?
Corey.
Hey, I'm gonna give you something, okay?
All
All right, so you hold on to that, okay? And then you're gonna look for yourself and your mom on YouTube, okay? Does that sound good?
Yeah.
You like that? Look, a Carmagia. It's for sale. 71 Kia. Not too bad. It might need a little work. Well, all right, VW Lifers, I guess that wraps up the Lonely Star Roundup. Wow, what an event, huh? Lots of different cars, lots of Volkswagens, lots of interesting people, needless to say. Car culture does that. It brings out all kinds of people. I am following Old Folks TV and their Gia on their way back north, so wish me luck. Hey, make sure you check us out at All Metric Garage, buy some swag. Get all, listen to that per hour. Get all of your Volkswagen life goodies from us. And tell your aunts and tell your uncles about VW Life. We do this for you guys. Woohoo! VW Life, later! What's your name?
Floyd Rutledge.
Floyd, tell us about your story.
Okay, back in the 60s, my mom had a 63 Volkswagen. Her grandfather died, and we drove to McCrory, Arkansas in her 63 Volkswagen for the funeral. When we left, my dad said, "Here, take this BB gun that looks like a 45 in case anybody messes with you." So we get up into Arkansas, and this carload of teenagers, they would run up on the back of my mom's Volkswagen, they would pass her and get back in front of her, and then they'd slow down, and then when she'd get a chance, she'd go around. Well, this happened 4 or 5 times. And the last time they did it, they pulled up beside her and they rolled their window down, and my mom rolled her window down and pulled that BB gun out and stuck it out the window, and all you heard was, "Oh my God, she's got a gun!" And they hauled ass and never bothered us again. But you understand, driving Volkswagens, about 65 is max.
Yeah,
and these guys, they jacked with her for, I know, 15 miles.
Messing with mom and her Beetle.
And her BB gun.
And her BB gun.
But it looked
awesome.
like an 06 shooter,
Yeah.
you know, like a 45.
Oh, that's awesome.
Oh my
I
God,
love
she's
stories
got a
like
gun.
that. Oh my God, she's got a gun. Thanks for sharing that,
Oh, you
man.
bet. You have a good day.